Good morning, everyone. Well, it's going to be another cold one in southern Wisconsin today, but fortunately looking a little bit better than yesterday. Already early this morning, our temperature is actually normal for this time of year, mainly in the upper 20s at 8 a.m., some in the mid 20s in the northwestern part of the area and close to the lake, temperatures in the low 30s. But the problem is, don't look for a dramatic warm up today because I do think the cloud cover is going to be increasing. And in the afternoon, it's mainly going to be mostly cloudy skies. That said, yesterday we were mainly averaging the low 30s across the area. And today, I do think the majority of us are going to make it into the mid to upper 30s, which is still below normal for this time of year. We should be seeing temperatures in the mid to upper 40s, but at least a little bit better than yesterday, and fortunately not much wind today, no more than 10 miles per hour, so no wind chill factor to worry about. Do have to mention for the most northwestern part of the area, though I think most of us are staying dry today and just going to see the additional cloud cover. There could be some isolated snow showers in the northwestern part of the area, places like Viroqua, Boscobel, maybe Baraboo if it overachieves a little bit, but I think everyone else staying dry during the day. And it really looks like it's just during the afternoon hours where there's a chance for some isolated snow showers in the northwestern part of the area. We jump ahead all the way to 10 o'clock this evening, and notice there's nothing showing up in the western part of the area, but now to the east. It looks like this is where our next area of precipitation is going to be coming from, is the east, and we might start to see a few stray rain snow showers right next to the lake. So let's jump ahead to early tomorrow morning. And it looks like we're going to be dealing with isolated snow showers in most places, though right next to the lake it'll probably be that rain-snow mix because, as you can see, the difference in temperatures, 6 a.m. tomorrow morning, a lot of us low 30s, upper 20s, but right next to the lake, upper 30s, allowing for that rain-snow mix where it's going to be snow showers everywhere else. So for the morning commute, it does look like isolated activity for the central and eastern part of the area, but look what happens as we go into the late morning hours. Now more showing up. So I think it's mostly good news for the morning commute tomorrow. There won't be too much going on, but look for activity to increase as we get into the late morning hours. And then I think there'll probably be a peak in the activity early afternoon tomorrow. And look how a lot of us will be dealing with snow or, right next to the lake, that rain-snow mix. So temperatures tomorrow look the same as today in the mid to upper 30s. The problem tomorrow is the winds are going up, so we got to call it breezy, particularly in the early afternoon tomorrow. Gusts around 20 miles per hour. So tomorrow, yes, there will be a bit of a wind chill factor. So though temperatures are going to be the same, I think it's going to be feeling colder tomorrow. And we'll be dealing with the snow. Let's talk about homebound commute. Again, I think the peak is going to be early afternoon, but still a good chance for scattered activity in the late afternoon. But I do think there's going to be less as we get into the evening hours. I don't think the rain, snow chance going away for Tuesday night. I think the chance is going to continue into Wednesday, but I do see a decrease in the activity. It does look like the peak is going to be during the day on Tuesday. So let's talk about snowfall amounts through Tuesday evening. Now, for places Lake Geneva on west, it looks like a lot of us are going to be seeing 1 to 2 inches of snow, and we might see a few spots where those totals reach up to 3 inches, but I think 1 and 2 inch amounts are going to be most common. But look right near the lake, because it's going to be much more of a rain-snow mix, rain mixing in and not just all snow. That's really going to reduce the snowfall totals. And so for places like Milwaukee, Racine, Kenosha, we're only looking at 1/4 to 1/2 inch of snow.